Good morning, student. Here is a Riya ma'am. Welcome to math class. Today we will learn addition by doing some funny activities. Okay, so let's start. Here is a tree. You can call it addition tree. Okay, so let's start. Here is 2. You can see 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next, 4 plus 4 is equal to, let's see, 8. Next, 5 plus 5 is equal to, guess, what will be the answer? Yes, 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay, so you can also make this type of numbers and make this type of tree. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video very much. So try this. Hope you will do it. Okay, thank you.